Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola, the chart is bullish. We got above the point of control. We did hit the value area high. What you'd really want to see here after breaking the point of control, which is higher on top of the volume profile, you'd want to see that value area breakout. Couldn't quite get there. This is a moment of decision right here for Coca-Cola. 62.64, that is your support here. We also have the 200-day moving average right below around 60, right around 62. That is your final chance for the stock to go bullish. If we do break that area, nice little thin zone to the downside, I'd be looking to go short in KO if we do not hold those levels. Next up, we're going to take a stop over in the village with Villager Lee. AMC is on Lee's radar. Villager Lee, AMC looks bearish. We broke down from the point of control. Your resistance is 7. We did make a value area breakout, and we wicked on the value area. So we couldn't even get back into the value area here. So I would be looking to go short on AMC. Now, remember, when you have a volume profile that's shaped like this with a little bit of a thin zone below its lower point of control, you could see something like this. You can break out. We try to retest here. We can maybe make it back up to the point of control, and then we're looking to go lower. It can happen, but what you want to happen and what seems to be happening at AMC is this was your chance to break back in, got rejected, and we're looking to go lower. Next up, I just need to do a quick little revisit on our baby bombshell bull that we had yesterday in Trade the Close. Usually we don't really announce any baby bombshells. We like the full-on bombshell, but the setup was beautiful in QQQ to the upside, and it did work out perfectly to my targets. I just want to do a little revisit right here. We went long at 350, or the ones that took the baby bombshell went long at 350, looking to get to the upside target, and it really did hit there right at 276. A little above 276.97. So that was a fun little trade that I know some of you made 20% on in 5 minutes left of the day. So those are always great to have and put them in your pocket. We're going to bring on Mark Sebastian because I know that Mark, your Profit Revolution was trading with us as well in that little baby bombshell. So might as well do a little woo over there in Profit Revolution to get to trade the close. But we're also looking at AMC for a potential short here. KO kind of neutral, bullish to neutral. What's options telling us?
So, I think with that baby bombshell, the more interesting thing that is what happened after it started to play out. Because we got that little rally, and then you said, the move is over, this thing is going lower, we're going to retrace. And when you said that, I bought S&P puts and rode them down 15 handles.
That's awesome.
That is the piece that I think is more valuable. When you say the move is over, there's a lot of times on these bombshells, there's more money to be made waiting for the bombshell to play out and then playing the reversal. And that is actually what I've been doing on your little bombshells, and it's worked out pretty well.
That's amazing, Mark. So we just cracked a new trade strategy.
Well, yeah, the bomb diffuser.
The diffuser.
Yes.
Stop.
So there you go. We got a bomb diffuser. All right. So let's talk Coca-Cola, because this thing has been, the consumer staples have been pretty much bulletproof until yesterday. Coca-Cola is down another 41 cents pre-market. It's trading about 62.70 right here. Not a ton of volume, but it is trading lower. We're seeing a little uptick in implied volatility, but options are just dirt cheap. Give me a decent downside target that I can make a run at here in KO.
So you're looking for KO that would be a breakdown. I mean, our support is
below there.
Our support is 62.61. We're flirting with that. If we do break the point of control, your downside is 61.50, and then 60 would be the on the way down.
All right. Well, let's say that 60 is going to happen. Maybe, obviously today could turn around after post. Wait a few minutes for obviously quadruple witching to start to come off, the 3 of the 4 to unwind today. But if we do get a little follow through, I'm going to give you the January 13th. So these expire in approximately a month. the January 13th 61 puts. They're going to cost you about, let's see, about a $23. They're going to cost you about 55 cents. We get down to $60, and you're looking at you're looking at selling this at $1.25. You're going to be a happy camper. So we're looking at
right.
the January 13th 61 puts for 55 cents.
And again, Mark, to really have that follow through, I want to see this stock. They'll probably be a little bit more because I want to see this stock break the point of control. I want to see it break the 62.
Yeah. So that 62, 61 level she wants to see us break. And that's what I'm saying is when we get to 62, 61, and when we get there, these puts will be about 55 cents, maybe 58 cents. So that's actually the level you want to buy when we break 61, 62, 61. Right now we're trading 62, 68. So we're very close to there. But that is going to be about the price that you're going to end up paying for these when we get to there.
Mark, thank you
Maybe
so much for taking the reins. Mark is
Oh,
our
absolutely.
Santa on his sleigh, taking the reins here and delivering put options to all the good girls and boys in trading land. All right, Mark, we got to get to big money flow. You saw some flow in Pinterest. What's getting your interest in Pinterest?
So this is an interesting one because this is a close and roll. A trader was long the December 25 calls expiring today, sold them. They're long about 45,000 and then rolled out to January. What's interesting about this trade is that the trader was right and then overplayed their hand. They held on too long, and thus the relatively decent sized profits this trader had in Pinterest. So, and to put things in perspective, on the 13th, Pinterest closed 26.42. These were nicely in the money. So this trader sold out of the December, rolled back to Jan. So this is a bit of one to watch. This is a trader that has been right, but is also not the best at timing. So just keep an eye on pins. We could see this one when we eventually turn around, maybe be an outperformer.
I think it was CJ was saying that Pinterest is one of his favorite of all the social media stocks. People kind of disregard Pinterest as a social media stock. He liked this one as well. I'm curious if that was Chris Johnson trading these big money Pinterest trades. But yeah, Pinterest
Maybe.
it's a very strong stock, Mark. I want to show you it on the volume profile. It's a lot of chop. I think that it's
Yeah,
difficult to
ton
kind
of
of
chop.
pinpoint because there's a lot of chop, but the chop has been just gradually going higher, which is okay. I know Ryan's gonna be okay. All right. Okay, just hold on to the facts. Okay, hold on to the
Come
facts.
on.
All right, here we go.
Are we?
Yeah,
What's
it's because
Ryan complaining about?
they kicked me off the screen, so I lost my screen share. Sorry, that's the internet
Oh,
or my computer. But yeah, look at it's been a slow kind of roll higher. Yeah, there's been a lot of chop, but I like this is my favorite move. My favorite move was here. Getting above that point of control, using that point of control as support, wicking, trying to get above the value. I mean, this thing looks like it's ready to break out, and I do like that we hold this area as a support here. Mark, will you be piggybacking this at all, or you're looking at this more of a long-term view in the future?
not yet, but eventually. This will maybe be something you and I. I think by the time you and I get together next Wednesday, it'll be one that we're going to want to circle on, assuming there's still some continued flow on this, because I think this sell-off needs to work itself out for a day or two before I'm jumping in anything crazy long.
Yep.
That said, yeah, I mean, I think Pinterest is interesting. We've got Lauren, my wife, has several pin boards, one for our backyard outdoor kitchen, one for Christmas stuff, one for interior decorating,
Oh yeah.
one for stuff she wants. What's on your pin board?
You know what?
Boz?
I don't do pin boards, but I have a Christmas present tip that I stalk people on their Pinterest to know what to get them.
Ah, there you have it.
Yeah. That's a very
All right.
I have a little Voz has some game, okay? I got the Riz people. I know what's up. But
Nice.
anyway, Mark, I see you on Wednesday, and
Yes.
that's going to be a great time to trade this because we're either going to, if we do break out, we'll be trading the volume profile breakout. If we do roll over, we'll be trading the retest of the point of control, or maybe we even break the point of control Wednesday.